Understanding the impact of expanded glazing in educational facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore how schools and educational facilities that maximize daylight entering the buildings significantly outperform other schools with lower levels of daylight in a number of metrics. It was not uncommon during the 70s and 80s to see schools built with limited glazing, as it is mainly for ventilation. Later, as it was considered a trade-off between glazing and security, there was less use of glass. Recently, studies comparing schools built with greater amounts of natural light and views to those with limited have proven the schools built with expanded use of daylight and views way outperformed others in a number of different metrics. Studies have documented the improvement in schools and student scores, lower stress levels, increased teacher retention, lower absentee rates, and lower teacher turnover. Plus, it showed that it has a positive influence on the local neighborhood as there was more community pride in the schools, and consequently following that, home prices increased. Other studies have showed similar performance and improvement in performance in commercial facilities and in healthcare facilities by expanding the amount of glass, utilization of natural daylight and views. Slope glazing is commonly utilized for greenhouses, enclosing gardens, or dining areas. By code, these are glazed with safety glazing, which will slow down someone trying to force their way through these elevations. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.